You're ready to put your home on the market, and of course, you want it to sell quickly and for the best possible price. That means you'll need to renovate first. Today's buyers, especially because of the pandemic, are looking for more move-in ready homes. So renovating your home before you put it on the market is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. But you'll need to work with a partner who understands what buyers in your market are looking for and knows which upgrades are actually going to increase the value of the home. Plus, you want to get it done fast. I'm Robert Carrillo, associate broker with eXp Realty, and I'd like to introduce you to Curbio, the pre-sale renovation experts. When I was in the home renovation business, I wish I'd had a partner like Curbio, and now you do. Curbio specializes in improvements that help homes sell. Homes they renovate spend 58% fewer days on market, and their renovations deliver an average ROI of 215%. So imagine spending $20,000 in upgrades and you being able to sell for $63,000 more, netting you more than $40,000. Curbio renovations are hassle-free. You'll never have to trek to a hardware store or order materials because your Curbio project manager will handle every detail from permits to punch list. And thanks to Curbio's technology, their renovations are completed up to 60% faster than a typical home improvement project. When it comes to renovations, time is a huge factor on determining whether the investment is worth it or not. Together, Curbio and I deliver same-day estimates and provide real-time project updates through the Curbio app, so you'll never have to worry about missing deadlines or unexpected changes. And here's the best part. You won't have to pay for the renovations until your home sells. That's right. We get our money when you do, at closing. No interest, no hidden fees, no matter what. Curbio is here. Let's connect to discuss your unique situation. Cheers.